What's going on YouTube? In this video, I want to talk about momentum and why it's so key to have momentum building in the direction of your vision of your future. If you want to actually arrive there, what you need to bring you there is some force, some energy, some effort, some momentum that's generated over time by being consistent and being disciplined. So let's put it like this. You have this vision. You say, I want to move to the tropics, or I want to leave the matrix, or I want to find a way to work online. And you have all these different ideas about the things that you want to do. In order to actually see those things through, the next step is to build some momentum, build a plan around that vision. Be really clear with yourself and everyone around you about what you want. That way there's no confusion, okay? That you don't have to think about it too much. You know. And once you know, then you go to the drawing board, you create your plan, you say, okay, I want to work online. So if you want to work online, you got to find a way to generate income. You got to find something that's unique to you that you can offer that other people will find is valuable, right? And then when you find that, now you got to work towards creating it. You got to build the infrastructure in place. You got to make those connections. You got to go put in the work, right? And as you're putting in the work, what's happening is you're generating this momentum. And this momentum is what's going to give you the ability to completely break out of your current identification and move into the next one. So momentum is really, really key in understanding how this works. Like when you take your vision, your laser, and you point it on something and you say, okay, I'm focused over here now, right? This is where I want to go. I want to go this way. And when you're really clear with yourself, all of a sudden now you start sending energy down this pathway. So this is very, very important. If you're in an environment and you split your focus and you start looking this way and you start sending energy down this pathway, you're actually splitting part of your consciousness. Part of your consciousness is moving in this direction. This is very important to understand because people do this unconsciously. They will open up pathways that they don't want to go down, but they'll just be sitting there thinking about it for whatever reason. They'll just be thinking these crazy thoughts and letting their mind run all over them with this idea of going in a direction that they don't actually want to go in. So that's why it's very important to be very clear about what direction you want to head in, because when you know that, then you can start placing your focus. But until you know that, you don't want to just be throwing your focus around. And also, it's very key to understand how this all works. Like, your focus, you're going to manifest things depending on how quickly you're moving. At the frequency that you're moving is how quickly you're going to start manifesting things. So if you want to move into the future into a certain direction, raise your energy, okay? This is all about momentum. Like if you're feeling sluggish and you're not moving and you're lazy, you're not exercising, you don't have your breath cycling, you're just kind of stagnant, you're in the same place, you thinking about going somewhere is that you don't have the energy to actually follow through. You see? So it's really important to build up the energy that it will allow you to carry yourself through the experience to where you want to go. And that's that momentum, right? When you're disciplined, when you're consistent, and you're motivated every single day, then what you'll see is that your whole life is going to transform. And it'll transform really quick because all it takes is a week, and then 2 weeks, and 3 weeks, and 4 weeks, and all of a sudden you're at a month of consistent work in and out every single day. And then you keep doing that and just watch how your whole life transforms. It's beautiful. So if you have a vision, if you know where you want to go, that's step one. Be really clear. Step two is to build that plan. Get the blueprint, get the map, know what steps you need to take to get where you want to go. And then once you got that, it's about being consistent and disciplined every single day, doing what you know you need to do. No excuses. Throw the excuses out the window, okay? It's time to grow. It's time to expand. So that's the message for today. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Aloha and pura vida. Keep expanding.